Good evening. This is Breaking Now Science This Week. It's Sunday, December 7th, 2025. 8 stories. What happened, why it matters, what's next. 1. Geomagnetic storm watch. NOAA just issued a G3 strong geomagnetic storm watch for Tuesday, December 9th. The trigger is an M8.1 flare on December 6th and a full halo CME aimed at Earth. Expect impacts from early to midday UTC on the 9th. That's Monday night to Tuesday for North America. Power grids and HF radio may see minor disruptions. Skies could light up with Aurora farther south than usual. Keep cameras ready. Why it matters. Solar Max is flexing. A G3 can push the northern lights into the northern U.S. and stress satellites. Good reason to plan observations and protect assets. 2. Hubble relocks on the interstellar comet. Hubble reobserved 3I Atlas on November 30th, tracking the object at 286 million kilometers from Earth. New images show a tight coma and clear motion against background stars. This is only the 3rd interstellar visitor we've confirmed. What's next? More spectroscopy as it brightens again, looking for unusual ices that don't match typical solar system comets. 3. JWST finds a too mature spiral early in time. Astronomers report Alaknanda, a grand design spiral just marked 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, with a disk about 10 kiloparsecs across and robust H-alpha emission. It pushes back the timeline for calm, well-ordered disks. Paper accepted in astronomy and astrophysics. Why it matters. Spiral structure this early means disks settled faster than many models predict, fuel for a fresh round of galaxy formation simulations. 4. New sea-level Sentinel in orbit. Copernicus Sentinel-6B launched November 17th and is now under EUMETSAT control. It extends the 3-decade high-precision record of global sea level rise, critical for coastal planning and climate models. What's next? Cross-calibration with Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich to stitch a seamless record, then routine ocean height maps at centimeter accuracy. 5. Rare cyclone swamp Sumatra. NASA's Earth Observatory highlights catastrophic floods in Sumatra after a rare tropical cyclone dumped torrential rain this week. Satellite imagery shows broad inundation across lowlands. Why it matters. Warm oceans are juicing extremes in places that rarely see them. Watch for post-event analyses linking sea surface anomalies to the rainfall totals. 6. Gene therapy expands for SMA. The FDA approved Itvizumab, onasemnogeni abaparvovex abarvam, on November 24th for children 2 and older, teens, and adults with SMA due to SMN1 mutations. 1 infusion replaces the missing gene. It's the first gene replacement option across this broad age range in the U.S. U.S. Food and Drug Administration. What's next? Real-world safety data in older patients and head-to-head comparisons with chronic treatments. 7. CRISPR therapy shows promise in kids. At the ASH meeting, Vertex reported that children 5'11" treated with Casgevy for sickle cell disease had no vaso-occlusive crises for 12 months. Beta-thalassemia patients were transfusion-free over similar spans. 1 TDT patient died from pre-transplant chemo complications, an important safety reminder. Filings to expand the label are planned in early 2026. Why it matters. If durable, one-time gene editing in younger kids could prevent years of pain crises and hospital time. 8. Double superconductivity spotted. U.S. researchers report 2 distinct superconducting states in a kagome lattice material, what they call double superconductivity. It's basic science, but understanding how phases coexist or switch could inform future quantum devices. Posted December 2nd. What's next? Map the phase diagram under pressure and magnetic field, and hunt for similar behavior in other kagome compounds. That's your week in science, clear, fast, sourced. I'm your host. This is Breaking Now Science This Week. See you next Sunday.